You want me to say that both? All right. Stam 11.
Okay, right.
Let me hear you. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, boss.
I hope all is well on this platform.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, the nurses they deserve it. For the nurses, they deserve it because you are taking this. Otherwise, you say you take it, but you won't vote for them. So you took it, right? Yeah, you are thinking that we are doing the political parts. Say, doing say, well, no, I don't even say, oh, no, man, I said, you say, punching and then something like that. 3, 4, no, yeah, maybe a paper in t-shirt.
Okay.
That is the more deserve it. But you know one thing that I feel like MPP lose in this election by the communication team of MPP was weak. Why am I saying it was weak? MPP do a lot too, but to education, no, name content, education and bantem. Education and bantem. And uncle for it's no more bloggers. Bloggers, no, so who share bloggers now? Three na bloggers neka.
Yeah.
Going to be destroyed. Share meters now. There by you. Share some meters. But no, some na baomiadia and I'm a boy.
Enukre.
By end of the rank, you won't say baomiadia. You say who talk creditor, baomiadia 10 cities. Who does here? Baomiadia say. Nina, people was ganging that is for baomia. Inja to ye mbro of one team ena sebi say me wa kra. Ti say bi was sebi ma no desmal nkrase no. Inja to mo asum so what you say. Eh omu ku om the light bill, om the light baomia ABS from Bibisa. So communication of MPP was so poor, and although things was not okay, and you are saying koyechi. Yeah, you ask me, emu yeding. Yeah, one can only or expenses. If you are going for it, your expenses always double up. What I say, your expenses always double up. But sebi now, although the system was so hard, but it was across board.
Yeah.
So that now the more approach, you cannot more complaining. Me call Canada 2 weeks. Next month, now the stress over there, I think that they are me or Ghana so better. I should come and continue in Ghana. Maybe turn food for Ghana. But I me turn food to me or circle. And next time, let me chase no. So I just there. Indeed, the hardship was too much. But that doesn't mean say you no. And my problem was this man. I don't want to be blaming people, but sebi say oh mama ebe catch us oba me pie catch us say oh mama konfo papa konfo. Then I'm the two conformity. Menum who say, me mammy, menum who say, me do any say. Sound conforming in our counter when you could see it. By all the same, it's never done, it's never what late than done. So, and one say, unifier, unity, and it be an education level, and one of Braba Bukaino, or say they don't want the people should go to free education and know more about what is going on. Did they be able to radio station? To see a radio station, where political radio station, no more there, no more to a Google, neither not to it, neither got to Abba. Sometimes people doesn't decide who will be on decide that's not to Abba.
Yeah.
Or take the amount for account.
Yeah.
Yes, these bloggers will take the amount for account. Now, you are taught to do that, but two won't say, hey, one more deal, hey, or more DSC, come and say, or it's lies. See, at the moment, if you say something that is not true, the police will take you. So you see how the game is. What's the political game here? Yeah. Me, I don't do politics, but if I see the platform, I always join. But although me sorry, to my life, me to Obama, President Kufuor power, and I to the me to Abamko baby, but I don't do politics. But if I see the fact, I know this is the fact. Let's go this way.
But Stam, maybe so. Over the past 9 months, phones born. It is saying.
As someone will be saying, what's the one? What's it in business? And the ratio of the business is not all the time that say the openers are not being. Me say me to phones to to coin buy. Me buy another dollar no 10 cedis. Inti a floppy me every phone 3,500. Ne 16 Pro Max. And a 16 Pro Max at that time me to but could be a 19.5. So 19.5 no. Inti me two coin buy 1 month buy. Me call Saudi Arabia. Inti me buy no. Now floppy call. Lot on buy for now floppy call 15,000. Inti imagine I'm losing every phone like 3,500 Ghana cedis. So I was very careful that no, this dollar will arise. me me home and madden and my name be affecting me say maybe I may lose my half of my capital. So what I say, me nya trema we no. Say nyame adum and I started some cost.
Yeah.
Sometimes once a government you knew much about it, but we think that sometimes a system no settings now almost setting. Maybe you got people were saying that to be frank speaking, the market is not good at all. Market is at that time of I won't compare because Nyankopon me, I'm a Muslim, I believe that Nyankopon Emma on one edge. So what I say. So me maybe MPP time, I was selling this amount. No. Share. So what I say. I don't depend on any
but they say the market in share flow sir.
Market ni but Nyankopon share across board. Obia, son obia. Yeah. I won't blame it on any government. Nyankopon share across board. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Final platform. All right.
So much for coming to my brother. You MPP Bekumi. MPP Bekumi mpacho.
Chairman. Yeah, free education. And now there's remember free education. Yeah. Madam say. Voice. Yeah, na edun say me say na. Osha dinidi no business Ghana hano. Are we all right? Because Ghana happen and the year more be a day free. The actually free was so one pet. Yeah, actually free was so one pet. But I said, oh, one is Anna. No business I forget in a year or Muntina ma or Mokasa Sana. Because who shall ultimately a day we are say, why, sir, Obisu or more, but why wouldn't you say, who man a school no, chop Monica crabbing out the more, but what to me back on tea to me, but didn't draw and the knee and I'm a coyano, and I'm a cheer, 7,000, a bit of 8,000. It's I'm a mobile cheer. And now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or see, on care education, no free Accra, Greater Accra, Nako Ashanti region, Obuasi East, now Banuko Day School. Oh, comprehend, actually, one. Me. My number person can be sponsored. There be a can a man call ever free. I have called Boise. Now, I will post to put myself for car. No, Master Hamba.
Wait, I say, enter helicopter, man.
I'm with that body. I'm with that body house. This will get 18,000. And the first in the catcher, I must say. Now do 18,000 day na university for Grobuchia saying and now it's a reality na abedao. Say obie ni ahu first na the campaign you see ni books ni ntalia just say ni nyina do 18,000 ya kan mo say boa and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was it free education won twam by mom say we free Accra ha Obakoboko day school. Akola so the 14 years. Let's go hard diagram mana. Imagine Akura with the 14 years. Sen obesi ahwe na ho e wo se kuro no so. Ma me bi criɛd the video na about trend was say ka so voice danger had dem go. O na so for ka so a na so fa ogbomu kwan a ukusa seleja. E di danger criɛd e kuro. No see baby school no wo no e na wo bush kakra ena ke no mama oba na nko aye oba no a choice a wo yiye wo se akosia wa ha mi o ma mi utumi se ne raw uye by that time na ne mamu free no ne bi mu kwa achimota na achimota wo se fo mo to ena pato kwa achimota wo betua
yeah 25,000
because better first no any enya obi o free sahwi e ba achimota ni kings munyina free edi na chi ni kuro mu hene ni nuanom abusuafo aden a omu nua anya achimota nti omu ba beja no and no be 25,000 Ghana cedis na next time no oze voice Ghana hano akwese se wo sori ne se wo mo bi twopon ne wo hu ekwankwa ofo so onye sai scan nti no wo bo hu se ohwe udi ase onim se ase nye difficult bi ase wo mre na wonye scan out de mano enti office bibia easy by say edu so onu ankasa hwe hawa obesi apesika na e do hu se say sika yi say any pesika de mama so de mama hwe ni ye because say sika na o ba o bre anu bi na say ato awofo no edima amemo adwadifo ma mo yi adwuma awie ya chiamo ye ne mo se bodwe na moto amode ehwe mo mayi and so at the top to saying, "Oh, trade no friend about we must say, no, we are born on TV for and toffee." As a voice, a boy of fear bar. No one called G loan, market woman is in the bureau. What's that a fuck up with you?
Oh,
yeah, toffee.
Oh,
And you know, say no, the more catcher ready at it. Name of the better catcher say. Munu musuo and try ope drink water for dry season. Yes. Munu musuo try ope yes. Na 2028 no. And you be the best campaign amamo say Montoma NPP Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na oma to asomamo. Voice me da say.
Me da say MPP bekumi. Yes, say there obi abeji 3 minutes na dey wrap up at a freestyle o assemble up so o kasa fan won bet na kasa fan 3 minutes na ya sorry so let me start with mami wo let me start with you general news and as assembly o person address ya na wa address 3 minutes na about mami why ready and I say mami you ready
My ready voice. I can't make any so the day starting say if you think I'm a rap
Voice, my madam is speaking, Jesse. Jesse speaking. Okay.
That's it.
Maybe the Amira hope for MPP. Say MPP for Mutimi, a coach charm na tutu. I say, Obi support to Montimodia comma, a bayet, so say Yanche charma wouldn't mean to. The charma wouldn't mean to my dear Nambinya. The charma wouldn't mean support to my candidate. Na saade ono akoso nyina no kodua no mo hu ye because if fees papa we yi ni ti wa MPP mo MPP ho nto ne da what you say chama wuntimi a mani abre no oye galamse the whole Ghana no chama wuntimi na oye galamse wo ba bia the whole NDC chama wuntimi your mo problem MPP ni so asai a party na papa e dey no support ni me bibia ma party no so yes I papa no ho anho ya enti dey pa na MPP ya agi me dey sane ma na ekoso dey MPP delegate mo hwe ne ye na mo nto aba na ma doctor say ya sa revenge we nyina ya so betime give NDC back because anema ekoso na airtime candidate baako bi ahyeda ne NDC fo na koye baako edi enti na nkrofo amna mokotwitwa edi petition to society chairman wuntimi nti enche na Monday o ma safre wuntimi bi once Monday ombeko no malok no obenwa said na kokoti ya remind na 2 weeks o wuntimi nya na hwe bia but atete sa enkosi de dabe na MPP party musha sansem hunu we nyina na obi kwakasa dia na the whole general secretary say mature letter say on also one abo man bi wo party nim na abronya akodi bi na tem why no one abo man it is sad ya man na ekoso wo party ndia ahomte nti ebe shra MPP delegate yeslamo ndia da bia sansem hunu we nti na me support nyina wo bawomi ahon because bawomi a won konkwaji wo bi sika enkoye dati adwuma bi ankoma NDC omo ni NDC num kruwa kro na omakopa NDC a chew no wɔn tɔn MPP foɔ ma wɔn no yɛsrɛ delegate eduru 31st na monto abɛnti asa nkorɔfoɔ no because kwan a NDC di MPP party ne fa so no ɛɛtan hwɛ Ghana wuntumi wayɛ di nso hwɛ nsuo sɛ yɛ ana ɛsɛ ɛsɛ wuntumi na ɛsɛ nsuo Muhammad ba na wɔtwe ya black voter okukura mo onua what so NDC ne bi abɔwa ɛsɛ yɛ wuntumi anka monti dida ada na moma tan yɛ tan sa tine de kakra me cancer delegate yɛ shra mo 31st monto aba ne boma doctor na saa kasa we nyina eto ntwa nti kakra me kan no
voice mami thank you so much for coming through Mama Pounds what's Mbika for conclusion as to for today
kakra me kan fa ho ane de sister start ye no because now no who say ye wo NDC annest MPP nim chese eniema ekoso na medi kodua ho ye a enti ensem bebre ba nkrofo yi nam ne niema no wo mu ye no kodua pese wo ka kire ye se wo hunu ye ana atenie me kwa de ana ye me ya Hajia Samira Bawumia the way I just see Timami yatem oba wetimi atia gina ase enye wo mu anka MPP nenka yentimi ma power but this lady ni kunu sacrifice ya be bo party ya gina ama enipa bi enti asemo asesi ya wo de yemfa bibia to nchen Kennedy Japan akoka no wo brekum no se Bawumi akọ ahemfie se otumfo banti ya to abama na enti wo monte if the MPP a serious party enka Kennedy Japan kra no kọ vetting no na sense ka qualify to become the race no kra it shouldn't be close to the race enti ade ayeye no se omo pese omo gu MPP na me de me se eye pobi na wo mu abo se ina kwan bia so mo pese MPP no wo mu gu no enwa na abronye ka se ye wo nipa bi wo doctor ho a wo ma ye wo mu hu two faces enu na da bia ntia na obu ha wo ba platform so na wo kasa wo face obi en wo Dr. Bawumia eche obi a but we are all say ye party na say me to NPP ba power me gina he ya me dem me yale ka say me nko je wo MPP power me nko di position me nko je but ye hu say party no ba eboa ema even ye ne wa kwantom no kura no ye yi sote phone calls no ne ade ne sote eti na ne ye ka no but nipa bia ye wo mo so mu di omu do doctor achen wo bia eti se wo bi ya ade boni na se emwa this leadership ya we ese se ye pam wo mu nyina afiri ho because over 2024 election na Dr. Lusu ye na enye Ghana fo no na anto aba no ama no enipa bi wo MPP ni ho a omo bopo se womo ma papa no emeye president na wotimi hu se Kennedy de onu wayi nanim but enyo onu nko a ye woni pa bibire hyehyem behind the scene omo ma ye hu wo mu a wo mu nyina aka ho enu nti sankrofo no doctor de mi de minim se nya den obawe ne but two faces fo no na ese ye hweye ni etimi gigi wo mu nyina se de be ya enye se ye doctor ebawe ne na so doctor asa akwa lusu se wo pe wo bi asem ti se wo pe nipa na asem ne se nipa no wo mboa party no ontimi mboa ma doctor wene a enye se wo pe na asem ti ba bi ho ne se ye ma ne tena ho no se ye ma ne free ho ni pe nipa wo mu betimi a sacrifice aye adwuma de party no aba power etimi pa cho me de ba no asi
yo me da say let me go to mama Tina pacho wo na say me ko investor.
Oh, Philip.
Okay, Mama Tina. Brim.
Yeah, the voice. Yeah. Me so AYÄka kakra meka ewo ye MPP me twato ne say. Sese baby a MPP no akwakoduru no. Akoye say yankasa yenunu ye ho na yesere. Yenunu ye ho na yesere. Se obi ka na se eye a obi ka enye se ye ka kire se enye. Second etimi eka say MPP for ya kromfo MPP for omo ye say ato MPP for ho na se ne mo okoyi ni se eye frabari eyi a ama na abegina manu anima na che se oye kromfo panyini in the first place kromfo panyini a obedi akromfo be so Ghana e be se kura abronye eye nipa bi a nka yese de communicate ayi ma abronye because abronye kasa all kan nyina no o kan ma sa secretary no a actual letter no akono so no so wakwaji sika on hwe se nipa ya ma wabedi banim na ye call vote na ye nya hwe na that means wo so ba lock no free check wo ba lock no e free wo emfa nkwankwa hye obi kwankwa hye abronye se omoyi abronye afriku anase omoye badwen se abronye campaign ama doctor nti omo be twe abronye aso omo be yi abronye afiri ho before se omo be kwa akoto aba no a me ka che omo se MPP party obe kolase ebe gukura cause abronye nka asembia entia party ne da biara da omo ka asem against party no omo de amagya omo na that means say ye pihia sika echene niema nyina yepe emprempre sika de emprempre se ehyewo mfunum na yesere se ye ne saade a enye ye da biara da ke abronye wo hoi kohwe one domahene nti one domahene nkasa ote domahene asase so but one ne nkasa because ne domahene oye nti na saa nipa wei mo pese nipa nyina enya no mo pese NDC for enya no enti me na me ka kire MPP for mo amoka bi a eyeye no ni amoye no entwa na entwa yie emfa kwanim
yo
enkura nkitenkete bi wo ho a omo kasa etia doctor omo di doctor tem enti sa nkrofo no makwatwe basa na se omo ne party card nti enya kins we owo party card na no obetena New York ha se dia no kan ye dia se no kan o se ogene party back on any party or Jenny back, ha? Min can see or the sign New York. Na some more kind, no party near Nedia, into a Jenny pine on Tenase, or be on your board, ye bold. And to board do not all say, the big good doctor, and you must say, Doctor the Yanka party no home, but more with the doctor Chinano, or Monka party no home. Or the four, Mommy and Ninaho, to say a bow, send your Bible Kayano. Min Cassa would a care cheer where Jimmy. Na men kase udi doctor chia wo nyansafo obia yema yani na ho me da wase
me da say mama Tina ebusiafo nisa adwuma we me wa ha be 3 hours ni enti data no so na ye using enti wa pese obo ano mi naba no na was screen so no MTN naba enti obetimi asend say data no pese send me direct obetimi asend me na say boa bia kra maybe pese obo ya obetimi asend e mumu na ndi ato ndi data mamu I don't know what you are.
The boy say na you timi send this go. Omo abande. Omo ntin you timi send this yeah.
Yo, no problem. All right. You busafo enti me try na share send be no. Invest. You are welcome. Invest in Ghana.
Thank you, bro. That's sure.
So
yeah, I just wanted to tackle some few way, but I started with education. I want to go there small. With freighters now, and one what's that? Akufo-Addo, MPP government and Kasa in general. Let me be frank with you. When it comes to policies implementation, before nobody can up plan to what that. The implementation will be easier, as expected. Here, Akufo-Addo buy and check and implement the policy, the flash it. But when you go to the NDC side, they used to please the audience. Almost please the audience with their air cost. For instance, 24-hour economy, but there is nothing done. There is nothing that has been put down. Say, Baumia Kase be obey e-gate. Before Baumia Kase obey e-gates, he has already put something down. What the kind of Juma analysis of it before. It was Okase. This time, is coming on. The strength of MPP is that they plan, planning strategically what has to be done, the funding, everything has to be done. And it will come. Sometimes it might delay a little, but we will say Kianekeno, they bring it out. Maybe more audio be actual, na me dia akama assembly. Utie free education as man AYÄka. Ghana form bimu NDC for especially. Ye ma menom ni ade ebimu call my first about school I can go ma gym bedo service that gym class kakara. They came out telling Ghanaians say what Akufo-Addo has done is not the right thing because some people can pay their school fees. So why are they paying? Why are they telling them not to pay the fees? Because Ghana for which make your school fee, they are not telling them not to pay. Free at the free things is not something encourage. People were blaming the government. Say Akufo-Addo born near obey and say, oh ma, who said no. Government can also take part of your expenses. It mean your school fees man go for no school. Then my hurry omo. Of a no more hurry omo. One more bridge pressure to more hurry. Ghana for that be you are a wicked person to pay people's school fees because they can pay. You see, the funny thing here, voice, me do want, even to me do want, say, when Ghanaians were advocating for the fact, say, Mag Akufo-Addo into school because parents can pay, no, the same people have come this year to tell us, say, we cannot pay for pad, so now we should clap for Akufo-Addo, no, F Bahama, so to your pad, sika mayen. I can't think, me do want, me pad, I'm saying, me tomo me bako school, no. Government no toma me there. Say me bon same man say why there. Name of school fees there. It shouldn't be free. What kind of ironic way it is? Me tia say Ghana for me jitum. Etnas na bon same man president. Eto part the cost roni any just say me baba. I'm not ashamed. Say me top part me ba. Name no. Say government be top part me ba. Na me bon same man. Name of school fees in there. Government shouldn't pay for me. What kind of issue is this? What kind of understanding is this? And then you come back and tell me, say, school fees na yetu yaman no. Now you see, because they cannot do it well, no maybe I touch see I'm not say. Because the people who had the plan, no, instead of them to go back to them, no, they are feeling ashamed because of what they did. Share those days no more opposition now. AYÄka investigation, no. Share who jump with the alternate voice I be hun back.
It does not make sense one bit.
What that neighbor? It doesn't make sense. What does it make sense? And no, maybe batch on it because idea was say and make sense, you know. And some of people were backing them.
Let me move on to the free education bit. For me, it is nothing short of a vote buying gimmick. That free SHS policy. It does not make sense one bit.
What a year?
Wow. But it's quite
we all make it. So we won't agree.
Yeah.
Aha. And these people were thinking, say, there is no sense in free education. Never. We na penny no so twice. Penny nankala twice.
The government has budgeted 2 billion cedis for free SHS for this academic year. If you have 2 billion more to spend on education, will you spend all of it on free SHS so that even when people can afford to pay, they don't have to pay?
And also say, also penny that twice. Now, may they come but and go from a voice because I want to make a point here. Also, for so it is senseless. Say a DBA name say free education. You try go free school, and a penny say, oh, I buy 2 billion. Why will you be using that money to pay people's school fees? Now, buy these two people. I mean, and go from way. And I buy Mahama extra allocation 78 million. And that come communication pay.
Yeah.
Communication panel with chat say yemfama radio station for propaganda for no mo pay just talking kekano communication ye hu fa so bi e wo so ma ye ma me ne yopa mo Ghana ha no we just 78 million some fa mo budget no na voice any budget there for 5 years and 4 years old.
And 9 months. 9 months.
Hey! Just imagine. Na sankofu we mu before some adu papa ma ye ma me ne papa mo.
That's kind of crash sound. That's kind of
asa bro,
yeah.
Asa.
I'm buy some extra crack asa.
Asa 78 million, which can do a lot of things in Ghana here.
You can build 4 Agenda 111 hospitals and complete it.
My goodness. And these people, we hail them. And this is for bones and more. You see, some people don't. There may be problem. They say, you see, Ghanaians, 88% of the people in Ghana cannot actually analyze issues and decide on their own, but they depend on propaganda. And yeah, even when I say communication, no, and MPP communicators now said that yeah, because they did their best. But you see, in Ghana, propaganda sells faster than the truth because of the nature of our people, our citizenship mindset, you know. And the NDC will say the mindset of Ghanaians, you know, it is not about education. They they don't read well, they don't analyze issues. Here, Tuguma, we will get 90% of the people understanding it. And from the time Omabe Shushemu Aja Tumu Amoma Ehunyansano, not time when they call, then they've won power already. See, I am very much concerned about the fact that education in Ghana should go a long way to help our people to change their mindset. And that's why the voting pattern of our country will never be changing. NDC will continue to use the mindset of the people to go against the policy that will be good for Ghana. I didn't think for basu na mama, papa, me be or baby, onyam fast one free Ghana. When I say abide the balance, no, let me pay the school fees for the people. Yes, I know they are. It is senseless. Name more your top part the man be bad there. It is useful. You are not in fact I draining yet. Me do want mentia you voice. Mentia me yao. Say Nyankasa me ba o top part the man. Name more na me pay school fees to your man and they also know they are yet. Name more o top part man be bad there. It is good for you. I don't understand.
Yo, me da say invest.
Yeah, okay,
oh no, complete it in 30 seconds. Yeah. Completely in 30 seconds.
In fact, 30 seconds. I had put down some topics, but because of time into them, I hold on with this one. I have put 4 topics there. Why?
No. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you for coming through.